Welcome back friends in JK's Mathematics. Today we are going to see the 6th chapter of Mathematics of 8th standard. That chapter is Factorization of Quadratic Trinomials. Quadratic trinomial means a polynomial having order 2 and the 3 terms. It is known as the quadratic trinomial. The general form of the quadratic trinomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are the any real number and x is a variable. This quadratic polynomial means trinomial is written in the form of factorization, that is x plus a and x plus b. When we expand this, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, this is the another form of the ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is the another form, and from this given type of the trinomial, quadratic trinomial, we factorize this in this form. Okay, the trinomial is given in this form, and we after factorization we get these factors of this polynomial like this. Okay friends, so come to the example first. The example first is x square plus 9x plus 18, where x square is a square term, 9x is a middle term, and 18 is a constant term. For solving this, we have to first make the product of coefficient of square term and constant term. Means here, that is the coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is 18, means 1 into 18. This is our first step. And then we factorize this product. 18 1 is 18. Then we factorize this. Before factorization, we have to consider the sign of the constant term. Here the sign of constant term is plus. So we have to find the two numbers whose product is 18. Product is 18 and their addition is equals to the middle term, and that is 9 here. Those factors are 6 into 3, that is 18, and 6 plus 9 3 is 9, means this 9x is written as 6x plus 3x. So friends, our this quadratic trinomial becomes x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Now when we see this new expression, that 9x is split into 6x plus 3x, and we write this. Consider these two first terms, that is x square plus 6x. We have to take x common. X is taken as common, and what one remain? X square means x into x. 1x is taken, x is remain. 6x, x is taken common. common, 6 get remain. Similarly, in 3x plus 18, 3 into x and 18 is 6 into 3. We take 3 common. What one remain? X plus 6. When we see x plus 6 and x plus 6 are common, so we take common. What is remain in the second bracket? This is the x and this is 3, means x plus 3. So the factors of x square plus 9x plus 18 is 6x plus 6 and x plus 3. These are the factors. Okay friends, now come to the second example. The second example is x square minus 10x plus 9. X square minus 10x plus 9. The coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 9, means 1 into 9, that is 9. Okay, so we factorize 9 such that the sign of this constant term is plus, so the addition of those factors is minus 10. So minus 9 into minus 1, that is 9 1 is 9, minus into minus plus. Okay, so when we add this minus 9 and minus 1, that is signs are equal like, so we add them and give their sign, that is minus 10. Means our factors are minus 9 and minus 1. So this minus 10x is written as minus 9x and minus x. So we write this minus 9x minus x. So the total terms are 4. Take the group of first two and group of next two. X square minus 9x is the first group and minus x plus 9 is another second group. So we take x common from these first two terms. What is remaining in the bracket? X minus 9. Here minus x plus 9. We factorize this. Minus x is written as, we have to write minus x as x into minus 1, x into minus 1, and plus 9 is written as minus 9 into minus 1. We take this minus 1 common. Minus 1 is taken common. So what is remain? Here is x, that is x, and here minus 9, means it became x minus 9. So x minus 9 is common in both, so we take common this, and in another bracket, that is x minus 1. So the factors are x minus 9 and x minus 1. Now come to the third example, that is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. So we take the product of coefficient of the square term and this constant term, means 5 into minus 10. Minus into plus minus. 5 tens are 50. Minus 50. Now we have to factorize minus 50 such that the sign of constant term is minus. So their subtraction is equals to plus 5. The addition or subtraction of the factors is depend upon the sign of constant term, means this last term. If last term is positive, then we add these factors. If the last term is negative, then we subtract the factors. Okay, So here 10 is negative, means minus sign is there to the last term. So we subtract the factors, and the subtraction is strictly equals to the coefficient of middle term, that is plus 5 in this example. So we factorize 50 such that the subtraction is 5. So 10 5s are 50 plus 10 minus 5. The sign of the middle term is given to the greater one and opposite sign to the given to the smaller one. So our factors are plus 10 and minus 5. So this 5y is written as 10y minus 5y. 10y minus 5y. Our this plus 5y is written as 10y minus 5y. So the total terms are 4 now. Group of these first two and this last two. 5y square plus 10y, and second group is minus 5y minus 10. 5y square is written as 5y into y, and 10y is written as 5y into 2. Okay, so 5y is taken common, y plus 2. Minus 5y is written as minus 5 into y, and minus 10 is written as minus 5 into 2. Minus 5 taken common. What is remain? Y plus 2. Y plus 2. So y plus 2 is common. Y plus 2 is common. In another bracket, 5y minus 5. These are the factors of this our quadratic trinomial 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Okay friends. Now friends, come across the fourth one example, that is 2x square plus x minus 45. According to the steps, we have to take the product of the coefficient of the square term and the constant term. Coefficient of square term is 2 and constant term is minus 45. 2 into minus 45, that is minus 90. That is minus 90. Now we have to factorize this minus 90 such that their subtraction is 1. The coefficient of x is not given, means it is 1x. That is 1x. So the product of those numbers is minus 90 and addition is 1. So 10 9s are 90. Sign of the middle term is given to the greater one. Opposite side is given to the smaller one. So what happened? 2x square as it is, that is plus x is written as 10x minus 9x. 10x minus 9x, actually its value is x, but only for factorization we split it, value remains same. So 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Group of these first two and group of the last two. 2x square plus 10x. 2x square is written as 2x into x. 2x into x, and 10x is written as 2x into 5. 2x is taken common. What is remain? X plus 5. That is taken here. Now the next term is minus 9x is written as minus 9 into x, and minus 45 is written as minus 9 into 5. So what happened? Again minus 9 is taken common. What is remain in the bracket? X plus 5. This is x plus 5. This is x plus 5 and this x plus 5 is taken common. What is remain? 2x minus 9. In this way, the factors of this quadratic trinomial is x plus 5 and 2x minus 9. Okay. Now come for the fifth and last example for this practice set 6.1. The example is 44x square minus x minus 3. 44x square minus x minus 3. We have to take the coefficient of square term, that is 44, and the constant term is minus 3. 44 into minus 3, the product is minus 132. 132. So the sign of last term is minus, means negative. So we subtract the factors, and the subtraction of these two factors is equals to the coefficient of this constant term, and that is minus x means minus 1. Okay. So subtraction of these two factors is equals to minus 1, and product is minus 132. So those factors are minus 12 and 11. The sign of the middle term is given to the greater one, and opposite sign is given to the smaller one. So minus 12 plus 11. This minus x is written as minus 12x plus 11x. When we see or when we subtract this, the answer is minus x. So only we write this in this form, minus 12x plus 11x, without changing its actual value. Okay. So the first two terms are 44x square minus 12x, and last two terms are 11x minus 3. Group of these first two and group of these last two. So 44x square is written as 4x into 11x. 44x square is written as 4x into 11x. 44x square is written as 4x into 11x, and minus 12x is written as minus 12x is equals to 4x into minus 3. 4x taken common. What is remain? 11x minus 3. 11x minus 3. Again, this 11x minus 3, 11x is written as 11x into 1, and minus 3 is written as minus 3 into 1. So we take 1 common, 11x minus 3. This one bracket and this one bracket are equal, similar, so we take it is common. In another bracket, 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. In this way, the factors of this given quadratic trinomial 44x square minus x minus 3 are 11x minus 3 and 4x plus 1. Friends, in this way, we have taken the different types of the examples from this practice set 6.1. You have to solve the remaining examples for as a practice. Okay. So we stop at this point. Okay, bye.